Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you one single setting you need to turn on, or you may be already missing this advanced protection program from Google. So on your Android phone, click on your Android phone settings. First of all, let me show you. This is nothing 4.1 and the current OS version on this is Android 16. Okay, if at all, if the option which I am going to show you, if you miss this option, maybe that may be due to the OS version. So this is the phone settings, right? Here you will find an option called Google. You need to click on the Google and click on all services and scroll to the bottom, and here you will find is this personal and device safety, and click on this advanced protection program. By default this option is disabled. See here, it is not yet enabled. You need to enable according to your own wish. Let us read this before enabling this. For the strongest security and privacy, turn on device protection, also enroll your Google account. So this option is for to have the maximum strongest security for your phone. That may be due to the harmful websites, harmful apps, or theft protection. I said theft protection because see here, if this device protection is turned on, I'll read it for you. Theft detection lock. Say, assume a condition like your phone is just pulled by some other person forcefully in the intention of theft. At that point, this locks automatically when motion indicates theft. So as soon as the person takes your phone, your device gets locked, and if it is in the lock state for 3 days, the phone will automatically get restart. So you can use find my device, such options to get the location of your phone. Okay, and this protects from the apps, harmful networks, harmful websites. It will indicate caller ID and spam, whatnot. There are many advantages by turning on this option. So when you click on turn on, it will again ask you with the pop-up confirmation of turning on. So see here, right now I just turn this option. I can click on account protection, means this is for my Gmail account also. So if you're missing this option, you can just enable this to have the better security, means from the hackers, from the phishing sites, to get your password. So all to block all those security threats, you can use this advanced program. If you feel this video is informative, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.